since day one. Even then, and we'll be around when every sound it turns and bends and blends into one. Even then, and I will always hear your call way after all days end. Even then, and I will listen till those prison doors guarding that heart of yours
open up. And even though the road is cold, I will hold you close, even if it don't mean anything to you. And when you fight the dark of night, I will hold the light, even if it don't mean anything to you. Unconditional, unconditional. And oh, tonight, well, I will write the lines, reciting times your eyes met mine, like the sun. Even then, and this I'll whisper to your sister stars you wish upon, to fix the wrongs that we have done. Even then, and if I could burn, if I could turn into a flame for you to gaze into, to know that you'd be safe, oh, I would. And when we're old and we fold, oh, like roses on their stems, oh, even then. And even though the road is cold, I will hold you close, even if it don't mean anything to you. And when you fight the dark of night, I will hold the light, even if it don't mean anything to you. Unconditional, unconditional. And I feel you like your thunder, thunder. Oh, the rain and the wonder. You're the thunder, thunder, crashing in my heart, in my heart, in my heart, in my
heart. Close your eyes so close to mine that we can't find the line between.
And we'll discover that we're the thunder and we're the sun we're standing under. And it's no wonder we've been longing, longing, oh so long. And even though the road is cold, I will hold you close, even if it don't mean anything to you. And when you fight the dark of night, I will hold the light, even if it don't mean anything to you. Unconditional, 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 unconditional.
I had no choice but to hear you. You stated your case time and again. I thought about it. You treat me like I'm a princess. I'm not lying there. You ask how my day was. You've already won me over in spite of me. And don't be alarmed if I fall head over feet. And don't be surprised if I love you for all that you are. I couldn't help it, it's all your fault. Your love is thick and it swallowed me whole. You're so much braver than I gave you credit for. That's not lip service. You've already won me over in spite of me. And don't be alarmed if I fall head over feet. And don't be surprised if I love you for all that you are. I couldn't help it, it's all your fault. You are the bearer of unconditional things. You held your breath and the door for me. Thanks for your patience. That I've ever met. You're my best friend with benefits. What took me so long? I've never felt this healthy before. I've never wanted something rational. I am aware now. I am aware now. You've already